Manny Pacquiao, considered as one of the greatest boxers of our time, with his different angle and aggressive style, which resulted to a great knockout in his boxing career that many boxing fans fall in love with. Called as the People's Champion, with his humble beginning, we take a look back of Manny Pacquiao top 10 career knockout highlights. On November 14, 2009, Pacquiao defeated Miguel Cotto via technical knockout in the 12th round at the MGM Grand Garden Arena in a fight billed as firepower. Pacquiao dominated the fight, knocking Cotto down in round 3 and round 4.
Combination from Pacquiao, and Pacquiao moving forward for the first time in the third round. Beautiful counter shot by Pacquiao. Here he goes. And that's a bad break for the champion. And he can switch because he's a natural sound. Oh, nice movement from Cotto to avoid those shots. He's down again. Combination puts him down. He's hurt this time. He's very wobbly.
The referee stopped the fight at 55 seconds of round 12. With this victory, Pacquiao took the WBO welterweight title and became the first 7-division world champion.
Puerto Rican's crowd has gone silent. Stinging combinations and takedowns, and also the round knockdown for Manny Pacquiao.
July 26, 2003, Manny Pacquiao faced the Mexican Emmanuel Lucero at the Grand Olympic Auditorium, Los Angeles, California, USA.
We give you first instructions of the dressing room. Do you have any questions? That's a block and come back with the belt. Good luck.
Pacquiao managing to do most of the damage here in an odd and awkward first round.
In the earlier round, Manny Pacquiao used his jab to measure Lucero.
Lucero was supremely confident in his discussions with us yesterday. May have underestimated the hand speed of Pacquiao, as some opponents do.
You don't block his punches, you just let him miss completely.
Pacquiao lands the straight left hand again.
In round 3, Manny Pacquiao started to capitalize and throwing a lot of combinations, which then led to knock out the Mexican.
Feeling as though he's in control against Emmanuel Lucero. And after that punch, he is totally in control, and the referee instantly stops the fight.
He was out on his feet.
After a loss against the Australian Jeff Horn on July 15, 2018, Manny Pacquiao made a comeback fight against the heavy-handed of Argentina, Lucas Matisse, but this time without the guidance of the longtime coach, Freddie Roach.
We went over the rules in the dressing room. Again, I want to caution you to keep this fight clean at all times, protect yourself at all times, and what I say, you must obey. Good luck, touch them up, and God bless. Touch them up.
We've been reading the book of Manny Pacquiao for 23 years. Tim, you were in there opposite Manny Pacquiao 3 times in your career. How does he look physically to you, this version of him?
He still looks sharp. Does that give Matisse a tactical advantage?
A long time since Kuala Lumpur has hosted a fight of this magnitude. You have to go back to when Muhammad Ali was 33 years old and had a 15-round unanimous decision as the knockdown is scored here in round number 3.
Having some moments in his round.
Oh, that got to him. He takes a knee.
Pacquiao scored his first knockout in over 8 years by stopping Matisse in round 7 to win the WBA regular welterweight title.
Uppercut again, and he puts him down again. Pacquiao floors him a third time. Pacquiao has done it. Knockout victory and his return fight. How about it?
December 4, 1998, Manny Pacquiao challenged the belt holder, Thailander Chachay Sasakul, and this is going to be the first World Championship fight of Manny Pacquiao career.
左ストレートは当たってませんが握力いっぱいです。コーナーに追い詰まりました。ボディーブロー出ていこうとするジム。お客さんもちょっとハラハラしながら見てるような感じがあります。
体力はロープに詰まらない方がいいですね。回り込んだ方がいいですね。
抜けていきました。さあこの辺でテクニックを発揮すると使います。じゃあチャイ右のストレート左パーカット当たってはいません。
Pacquiao captured the WBC and light flyweight titles, his first major boxing world title, over Chachay Sakul by way of knockout in the 8th round.
鋭く入っていきます。じゃあチャイ左のストレート、おっと交代します。左のストレートヒットしました。あの当たりはどうだったんですか？
いや今当たり方浅かったですけどね。
そうですか。意外にボディブロー
十分押されてますよ。
左のストレートダウン立ち上がれるかチャッチャイดูเลยครับกรรมการนับไปถึงダメですไม่ไหวครับพยายามจะลุกขึ้นมาครับ
On June 28, 2008, at the Mandalay Bay Resort and Casino in Las Vegas, Pacquiao moved to the lightweight division and challenged the WBC lightweight title holder, David Diaz.
Any punch below this point are going to be called low. That said, I want you to obey my commands, protect yourselves all times. Touch them up now. Good luck to both of you.
At this point, you worry about how badly is David Diaz going to get hurt by continuing to take punishment in a fight where he's not going to go down, not going to get knocked out. Increasingly on the defensive, Diaz has less and less to offer as the 8th round goes on.
More punch damage than you take before the fight eventually ends.
He's had his moment in the sun. He's got an $800,000 guarantee. And tremendous straight left-hand shot for Pacquiao. How many more? Down he goes, and Dracula stops the fight. Where does the spotlight fall? Right here.
Here you see Pacquiao land a beautiful short left cross right over the shoulder. Diaz never even saw the punch.
On January 22, 2006, Pacquiao got matched up again of Mexican warrior Eric Morales at the Tomac and Max Center in Las Vegas, Nevada, USA.
We went over the rules in the dressing room. I want you to keep the fight clean at all times, protect yourself at all times, and what I say you must obey. Touch gloves. Good luck. Buena suerte.
Pacquiao says he's got to punch his gloves.
Manny, there one chance. And he almost knocks Morales down with the left.
Yeah, the straight lefts are landing. Well,
Manny Pacquiao has never won a decision on American soil.
well, Pacquiao's goal tonight is to try to knock out Morales. Be the first guy to knock him out.
What a round for Manny Pacquiao.
Pacquiao eventually stopped Morales in the 10th with a technical knockout victory, the first time Morales was stopped in his boxing career.
Tracks there. Eric with his hands at his sides as he backs away along the ropes, and he almost did go down on that shot.
Yeah, he's fighting, but his legs are so weak that at any time he can
There he goes. Good call, Manny. That's the first real knockdown of Eric Morales' career. And now Morales is going to fall farther behind on the scorecards unless he can knock Pacquiao down. But it's almost impossible to imagine it now. It's over. There's the second knockdown and the stoppage. Manny Pacquiao has knocked out the great Eric Morales.
On December 6, 2008, Pacquiao moved up to welterweight division in order to face the 6th Division World Champion Oscar De La Hoya at the MGM Grand Garden Arena in the fight called the Dream Match.
There is a big swelling outside the left eye of Oscar De La Hoya.
And he's turning it. Oscar looks like a guy going out, doing a 360. 3-0. Manny Pacquiao.
Straight left hand right up the pipe.
We'd see something more.
I think Jim's something up, but there's too much of everything. He just cannot figure out how to get into the fight, how to hold him off, how to get to him. There's too much of everything tonight.
Oscar is maybe trying to lay a trap, but Manny is too smart and too fast for it.
This fight's going to probably end up being stopped.
Manny Pacquiao is annihilating Oscar De La Hoya. Has a tough decision in front of him. There's a lot of glory and a lot of money in Oscar De La Hoya's past.
Pacquiao dominated the fight, and after 8 rounds, De La Hoya's corner was forced to throw in the towel, awarding Pacquiao the win via technical knockout.
Yeah, that's it. Let's finish it. That's it. Let's go. It's done. Manny Pacquiao has beaten Oscar De La Hoya.
The right thing to do.
For only 2 weeks' notice, on June 23, 2001, Manny Pacquiao challenged the IVF Super Bantamweight champion Lelo Holong Redwaba.
Fighter Ledwaba. And remember, whenever you have this situation,
In the early rounds, Manny Pacquiao throwing with his combination.
make them decide. That's exactly what Emmanuel Stewart was saying to me last week about a conventional fighter fight.
Always be in position when you throw a shot, get your hands in.
But in the 5th round, Manny Pacquiao starting to capitalize with his combination.
That's what Pacquiao's got to do, keep throwing the shots.
Pacquiao is fun to watch. Boom!
In the 6th round, referee had seen enough. He stopped the fight to award Manny Pacquiao a knockout victory and claimed the IVF Super Bantamweight champion, making him a 2-division world champion.
Surprise, he's a good fighter. He had no idea.
Pacquiao may take care of it. 4.
When have you ever seen a fighter say, I'm not okay?
There's a weariness and almost a resignation in the eyes of Ledwaba.
Yeah, and Joe Cortez has seen enough. That's a TKO victory for the very impressive Manny Pacquiao.
On November 15, 2003, Pacquiao faced Marco Antonio Barrera at the Alamodome, San Antonio, Texas, in a fight that many consider to have defined his career.
I want to have a good, clean fight, but I live there. They win on swerve day. Good luck. Touch him up.
Pacquiao, who was fighting at the featherweight for the first time, brought his power with him and defeated Barrera via technical knockout in the 11th round.
Hard left hand, straight on the button by Pacquiao. Down goes Barrera. He's been knocked down 3 times in his career.
That will shake up the boxing world.
Sure will.
Barrera is one of the highest regarded fighters in the world.
He's an icon.
been one of the most entertaining fighters in the world.
Second official knockdown of the fight for Pacquiao. He's right on top of Pereira.
Pacquiao was right there as soon as the referee.
You look. I wouldn't send him out for the 12th round, Manny. You don't care how proud he is. There's no way a great fighter should have to go through 3 more minutes of this.
No, because Pacquiao is not backing off. If you had a guy that was holding up,
here comes Pereira's corner. Pereira's corner man is up on the apron. He's going to step into the ring. That's a good decision. Finally, they could have done that 2 rounds ago.
This was the only loss in Pereira's professional career to have come officially via stoppage inside the distance. With a victory, Pacquiao won the ring and lineal featherweight championship.
Star emerges in San Antonio. Filipino star Manny Pacquiao.
In May 2, 2009, Pacquiao fought at light welterweight for the first time against Ricky Hatton at the MGM Grand Garden Arena in a fight billed as the Battle of the West and the East. Pacquiao started the fights wrong, knocking down Hatton twice in the first round. A somewhat shaken Hatton beat the count, only to be saved by the bell seconds later. In the second round, Hatton seems to have recovered as he stalked Pacquiao for the most of the round. However, with less than 10 seconds remaining in the round, Hatton was knocked out cold by a sharp left hook. Prompting the referee to award Pacquiao the win by knockout at 2 minutes and 59 seconds. Pacquiao won the bout via knockout to claim Hatton's IBO, the ring, and lineal light welterweight titles.